The 2024 Infiniti QX70 is poised to mark an impressive return, with the manufacturer intending to return its previously discontinued nameplate. This particular SUV was last seen on the road 5 years ago before the QX50 model replaced it. The upcoming QX70 is expected to be a large SUV, certainly more expansive than the QX55. It will enter the European market, attempting to rival BMW, Audi, and Mercedes. It will also be available in Asia. Keep up with the latest car reviews by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Inside the QX70, the dashboard is expected to mirror the QX60's, with the cabin adorned in high-quality materials for an elegant appearance. Technological advancements will include the latest phone software, a large infotainment display, and a digital instrument panel. The QX70's body design, however, might make it less practical, with likely only 2 rows of seating. The legroom should be ample, although the second row headroom might be somewhat restricted. The exact specifications remain unknown, but the sloping roofline could present benefits and challenges. Under the hood, the 2024 Infiniti QX70 will probably house a familiar 3.5-liter V6 engine, shared with the QX60 model, capable of producing 295 horsepower and up to 270 pound-feet of torque. There will be options for AWD and a standard FWD setup, with an automatic CVT transmission as the probable choice. The QX70 will boast decent fuel efficiency, even with the optional all-wheel drive. The revival of the Infiniti QX70 in 2024 promises a blend of familiar design elements and innovative features. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful car reviews.